So here's the truth. When you think negatively, negative things begin to happen. But when you think positively, good things are going to come your way. So stay tuned, because we're going to talk about how you can think better for yourself and for others. And not only that, but I want you to improve your life. I want your life to become better. And how can it be better when you're thinking bad all the time? So let's change that thinking right now. Welcome to another video. My name is Tyson, and this is Owning Purpose, helping young people find their gift and own their purpose in life. So today we're talking about thinking more positive for yourself so that you can have a better life and just have better days. Hello, I want you to think better. So the first thing is that when you get up in the morning, find 2 things that you can be grateful for. Better yet, 3 or 4 things if you can get that advanced. How many things are you grateful for each day? Is it your mom? Is it your breath? Is it your blood in your body? Is it the fact that you're able to talk or speak or see? What things are you grateful for? And that will help you to think better. So number 2 is yoga or meditation. So you can do either one. This is not like you have to choose something. But for me, I like to do both of them. Yoga is more so at night because I like to stretch my body before I get ready for bed. And then meditation is more so of a prayer in the morning to get my mind right. And I say affirmations to myself in the mirror so that I'm able to go throughout the day and just have a lot better of a day for myself and a lot better thoughts as I move on throughout the day. The next tip is that you want to find 3 things that you love about yourself. Now you may be thinking, how does this connect with me thinking positive? Well, when you say, I am beautiful, I am fine, I am attractive, I love the fact that, I'm able to speak to people. I love the fact that I'm a people person. I love the fact that I help people. I love the fact that I know how to draw. When you say these things, they help you to feel more confident about yourself. Because the truth is this, in order to reprogram your mind, your subconscious mind, everything goes to the subconscious and then it leads to the conscious. So even when you start saying, I am loved, I am beautiful, I am happy, I am proud of myself for doing good in school, when you say those things, you don't realize you're saying them, right? And then later on, you're like, oh, what is this good feeling? Well, it's because you said 3 things that you love about yourself. So write down in the comments, what 3 things do you love about yourself? Let me know. I want to talk to you and hear from your thoughts. The next thing is listen to music. So listen. We are humans and we are vibrational beings. So what that means basically is vibrational beings are people who are attracted and who attract vibrations to them. So for example, if I play, maybe some trap music, right? If I play some Drake, you might react differently if I play somebody else instead of Drake. So how about you turn on your favorite artist and you just jump around in your room? Listen, I'm in my room right now by myself, and sometimes when this camera is not off and I'm in the shower or I just want to play some music and clean up, listen, I'm a totally different person. I'm jumping on the bed, I'm doing all different type of things, but music heals my spirit and heals my soul. So listen to some music today to get your thoughts up. The next thing is working out. So if you're like me and maybe you do content creation, or maybe you just film a lot of videos like I do, or maybe you just have a lot of homework and you're in college like me. For me, sitting down working on my stuff all the time, I need to work out. So movement is so important. When you move your body, that is when your blood flows, that is when you feel better. And I think there's a brain chemical, I can't remember. Guys, comment down below if you remember what the brain is. I think, for me, sitting down working on my stuff all the time, I need to work out. So movement is so important. When you move your body, that is when your blood flows, that is when you feel better. And I think there's a brain chemical, I can't remember. Guys, comment down below if you remember what the brain is. I think it's serotonin, I think it is, that really brings your life about when you're moving around and you're working out. The next thing is eating something in the morning. Listen, I'm a person that I can get very aggravated. I can get very aggravated if I don't eat something in the morning, and that affects my thoughts because then it affects my mood, and then I'm not positive because then I'm treating people bad, I'm having an attitude, and I normally get very quiet when I don't eat and I'm really agitated. So that lets people know, don't mess with Tyson because these might be hungry. But if you eat, that changes your thinking, but it also changes your positivity and it gives you that energy back to start thinking better again. The next thing is stop talking negative. Okay, I had to get real close. Stop talking negative to yourself, because when you speak negative things, like I said before, negative things occur. So when you keep saying, I'm not good enough, I can't have that, that won't happen for me. When you say these things, now sometimes we do say them subconsciously. Again, we're saying things and we don't realize that we're saying them, but when you catch yourself doing these things, and when negative things happen to you, you have to sit back and say, did I cause these vibrations, or did I cause these things to come towards me? Did I cause them to attract to me? And if you did, then you might need to sit down and rearrange. Stop thinking negative. The next thing that I have for you is stop overthinking. Now, you may think, okay, thinking negative or saying negative things and overthinking is the same thing. No, it's not. Matter of fact, go check out my video that I just talked about stop overthinking about things that really are not that crazy. So the biggest thing that you can do about overthinking is learning to make a decision fast. Okay, now you might think, how do I make a decision fast? You make a decision fast by simply taking the first action and making the first action that comes to you consciously. So if I say I'm gonna film 2 videos today, which I did, the key is, which is the first video that I want to have up first? Well, go check out my last video because it's right up here in the cards, because that was the video that I decided to make first. And then I said, okay, well, this video I can now make next, but I did it step by step. So when you overthink and you struggle with this, again, check out the last video, because it's really going to help you with understanding all these things about, you don't have to compare yourself. Just make that one step, and you don't have to overthink it either. Just make the first step, and then you'll be fine. The next thing and the final thing that I have for you is that how to find something or find someone that can give you compliments about yourself. Because oftentimes we have a hard time finding people or finding 3 things about ourselves. So if you struggled with trying to find 3 things that you love about yourself, find 3 people that can tell you, hey, you know what are some good qualities about me that you really love about me? Or you can ask the question, why are you my friend? Or why are you dating me? Or why did you decide to marry me? Whichever position you're in right now. And those people should be able to give you honest feedback, right? Of course, sometimes we joke around, whatever, but those people can give you insight on, these are positive things about myself that I can actually move forward in and just be able to tell about myself so that I feel more confident and I love who I am. So the final and bonus tip that I want to give you on how to think positive is look at yourself in the mirror every day and give yourself 3 affirmations that you want to carry on throughout the day. So it could be, I am going to do good on my test today. I'm going to get a new video up today or this week. I'm going to start a YouTube channel this week. I'm going to start my business this week. Say something that's going to push you, that's positive for something that it is that you really want to occur in your life. And the second little bonus tip that I have for you is to celebrate your wins, okay? I know for me, I can really judge myself for even when I film. And I've said that in my confidence video, which I have linked up here below. So check that out, how to be confident on camera, because I struggled with being confident in my own content creation. It was extremely hard for me to accept myself and to be positive about, oh, you know what, at least I'm putting out videos every week. I used to judge myself. So stop judging yourself. Don't be perfect. People actually like to see your flaws. They like to see the bad things or the uncomfortable things about you because it tells a story. So I hope you got some value. Make sure hey, did you enjoy today's video? Did you get something valuable out of it? Well, make sure that you go ahead and leave a comment of what it is that you learned from today's video, and maybe what things and tips do you use, maybe that you can inspire me to start doing to think more positive in my life. Listen, this is the Owning Purpose family. Here we're talking about encouragement, mindset, and confidence, and all you have to do to become part of the family is hit the big old red subscribe button, hit that like button because it helps the channel out a whole lot, and make sure you turn on your notification bell because I do drop videos every single week with so much more inspiring content. My Instagram, if you want to connect for much more content besides just YouTube, I am also over there as well. Listen, I'm here to help you across your journey and finding your purpose on this earth and on the planet. And I can do it, and you can do it every single day, just one step at a time. We're all on this journey together. And remember, I'm here to help you take it one day at a time. You don't have to know it all. You don't have to find out your purpose in one day. We have many different purposes, but guess what? I'm here to help you. So make sure you stay tuned for the next video that's coming out next week. And until then, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.